Hello friends, welcome to this lesson on economics, that is second PUC according to NCERT syllabus. This is chapters 3 and 4, questions with 4 marks. If you have any feedback, please email at our address, that is parijnanmentors@gmail.com. Now we will start this lesson. Chapter 3, question 1. So you have to write short notes on profit maximization of a firm if the profit is equal to MC. So the answer is, when profit is equal to MC, then maximum profit you get when? Then the marginal revenue MR must be equal to the marginal cost MC. So profit is maximum when the level of output, that is called QO, when MR is equal to MC. So the goal is maximum profit. Now question 2. What are the factors that help in the firm's supply curve? So you must remember ITI. Answer: first, input prices. So when the price of a thing increases, then the cost of production also increases. So the producers will supply less number of commodity, the price same, okay, but the decrease in profit of the producer. Second is technology progress. So when technology progresses and improves, special tools are there so that the raw materials are available. So that reduces the cost and the total cost and the marginal cost. Producers then supply more, the cost is the same. Now you have the third one, that is government tax put. Now if government increases tax, then each product, the marginal cost of production will increase. The company must give lesser units of the output. If government decreases tax, then the firm supplies more number of output things. So you see this diagram, you will see supply, you have input cost, technology progress, also the putting of government tax. Now we have chapter 4. What are the features of a perfect competition? So you remember the alphabets LIFF, SPAN. So the answer is, first, large number of buyers and sellers of products. Number 2, products same quality in all the companies. They have freedom to enter and exit for firms. Each firm own price they make. There is one cost for all products. Then perfect market information is given to the buyers and the sellers. Transport cost, nothing. Free movement of labor, capital and land from one production process to the other production process. Now you can see the diagram. You have all these 8 factors which if you draw you will get more marks. Second, explain the shape of the cost curve in long run. So, in the long run, average cost, that is called LRAC, that is the cost for each output Q. So, LRAC is equal to TC divided by Q. So, long time marginal cost, LRMC, that is the change in the long run total cost of producing one thing or service. That is a result of the change in the quantity of output product. Now LRAC and LRMC of a good firm is shown in the diagram. You can see in this graph we see that LRAC, it maximum at that point Q1. So LRAC values fall to the left of Q1 and LRMC is less than LRAC curve. We see to the right of Q1, LRAC and LRMC are higher than LRAC. You can see this diagram. You must draw this. Explain the terms TP, MP and AP with examples. Answer. Let us look at the table. You have labor, TP, MPL and APL. Now TP, that is the total product. The relationship between the change input and output, if all other inputs are the same, that is called total product of that changed input. From, if you see the table, you see that TP change 2 units, then the labor are 24 units. So if you see the formula, TP produced all input same. Okay, so the formula TP, that is equal to output things produced divided by the input used. Then you have marginal product labor equal to change in the total product divided by the change in labor. Now you have marginal product, that is defined as the change in the output for each change in the input if all other inputs are same. Then we will explain marginal product of labor is MPL, that is equal to change in the output divided by change in the input, or change TPL divided by change L is equal to step change in the output divided by the step change in the input. If L changes from 1 to 2, then you have TP changes from 10 to 24. So you have MPL is equal to open bracket TPL minus TPL minus 1 close bracket. Change in TP is equal to 24 minus 10, which is equal to 14. So you have change in labor L equal to 1. The marginal product of the second unit of labor is equal to 14 divided by 1, which is equal to 14. Then you have average product, that is defined as the output for each changed input. So you have APL equal TPL divided by L. In this table, AP produced by 5 units of labor, that is 56. So you have to calculate APL equal to TPL divided by L. AP is equal to 56 divided by 5, that is equal to 11.2. So you have the picture in the slide. Average product of labor APL equal to Q divided by L. That helps you to know the output of the average worker. Question 4. You have to calculate the average product and marginal product schedules. So you can see in this table you have different TP, PL and L. So you have 0, 0, 15, 1, 35, 2, 53, 44, 48, 5. You can see in the table you have the change where you can calculate, and that with the formula you can find out.